In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Messenger account in 2006 step by step. Make sure to watch till the end because one small mistake can stop Messenger from deactivating. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. This method works on Android and iPhone. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right or bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Again, scroll down and tap on See More in Account Center. Now select Personal Details, then tap Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account. Choose Deactivate Account, then tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your Facebook password if asked. Once your Facebook account is deactivated, Messenger will automatically deactivate too. And that's it. Now you know how to deactivate your Messenger account. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions.